So when I got home, I wasn't really sure what was going to be happening or where things would go. It was all still a little confusing with the medication and the surgeries. We were going through surgery every other day. It took almost a year. About 3 weeks after I got back, they were able to make the final surgeries and wrap everything up and do the final closure. And at that point, I just really had to wait for the incisions and everything to heal up and close before I could be fitted for a prosthetic. From the final surgery to the point where I was able to actually take my first steps was about 3 weeks. So it was a rapid improvement after the final decisions were made. At that point, I went every day to physical therapy down in Walter Reed. It was a great place to be for rehabbing, both mentally and physically. Mentally being around other people that are similar to me and been in the same situations as I have, and physically because the equipment and the knowledge of the staff and all the resources available is just incredible. So it was really a great, inspiring place to be to try to rehabilitate. After I had left the hospital about a year, I came back here to New Hampshire. At that point, I was told my VA does not have a prosthetics lab, and I would need to look into finding my outside vendor. I'd been given a list of people who would be appropriate and that the insurance would cover. And at that point, I'd begun to ask people around before I left. So I was like, what do you know about this place? What do you know about this place? And Next Step came highly recommended by some of the people who were there and some of the staff members. And so I followed those steps, and I called Next Step as soon as I came back to make a check-in appointment, let them know I'd be in the area. And it's been nothing but great ever since I got here. Next Step has been more than accommodating, fair, and really taken me into the Next Step family as a patient.